I'm so sorry, mommy, for mistakenly saying what I said. Thank you.
Sha, koto, Esha. And punishment, no
problem. So then, from him now, it's a make no. Me free said me call privately to go and talk to her, you know. So for me to go, me go to just them panacho for them. I said, "I'm kind, man, kind of bunny mo. Me na me name the make ambo."
Yes, Efia Odo edin simbi ababetu bia wo kire mu a video circulate say wakọ soft mama part asori dem akwa patch na say Evangelist Agradaa asori dem akwa patch no na enye saa na plan ne tie na ono ye force no ene mane pa acho mede mu nkire mu be ma Eei Media Plus any your first time subscribe ni me abel no so say ne be the video atumu na wonsa ebeka ebusia won say video bi trend ya Efia Odo words of mame Agradaa sorry dem a patch watch and say wobu nkutodwe enyina ewo hono ma the video is trending now. Efia Odo na ankasa kra dia create series of videos ewo hono ma enye agrokro na we na amanfo bisa se aden na ekoso na de tie se Efia Odo mo podcast bi a omo ya friend se eye bant and rant so na eye software friend se anase eye counselor friend se counselor lutrot ekoso ekokeka nsem bebere efa eye soft mama part ho na meka se ensem no entwa yesa na ensem no koso no Efia Odo nso de na no kotu mu bi ekoka se ai mama part kura no wajisika duru of which na enye sika duru na no kana na emum na yesika gari ena na woka first no si mama part yesika gari ho asem na omo kana na no kopa ese oka sika duru na mama part ebo anjo sansem na ekoso no isan se Efia Odo efili mama part ye pa na mostly unse we use mama part videos and I say ne sound e de ye videos e wo TikTok a enyago enti wey Emma ni ko PM ewo soft mama part asori dem ye Sunday twem se okopa achew ewo honom na okọ ni nyina no ye de ehu ya se video no aba abonten a opa achew oh ye se pa Efia Odo Efia me be bonum bia ma to na the boy me boma oh say the why say enya wa eye wuradia behind Efia Odo for her to tell us one step. Yes, the ushers to come and stand one here come and stand beside her for her to tell us the reason why. Stand up, come up. Good.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, I'm gonna mix my English and my So me, it's not like 100%. And see, sometimes me try say me can. Sometimes me can say.
But you mo pick nipa na wo kasa na yensha no why? De enti oba ye ne hia yen. Enye nipa na egu ha no. Ti mu fa camera ne nto no so na yensha de wo ka no.
Sometimes my tree is really like it's not good.
More for the clothes.
And see, I have a show, a podcast. But it's a morning podcast. I have a show, and we invited one person, Counselor Lutrot, to come on it. So when he came on the show, we were talking about different things, and then we talked about our mama here. And now, so instead of Semeka, I said something like Mama Pat does Sikaduro, but I meant to say Gary Sika. So I kind of mixed the tree. So I came here to ask my lovely mommy for forgiveness. That I'm so sorry, mommy, for mistakenly saying what I said. Thank you.
Send you one new home and what one more summer will kind. The brother no kind in and say, if you are Koto, and that punishment, I remember why you
no problem.
Brafwa, yen yabana kind and say, I mean, more said, I'm in your pet. Now come down into me fire. What's all your program be? What the Abranti be a friend cancel a lutrot. As Abranti and Munim say, no, you know, what's some one or come to now, but I would any band show this or provoke a can make no one some, can make some one some. Emma Brandin and Nina Hosso, or no so Odimatam, Sagrada, Ajisica Duru. And I got a call from the producer, said they want me to say a member of my program. So, and I'm so be a Majisica Duru. If you want to prosper, you can't call a Sikadro on your platform. And a fiancé or beba or about the patcho because on the ground any man hustle or carry a yano, no one known home. So we are nearby Efia Odo, ever ha, a chaupa, and or the years, any heavyweight champion, any prophet into a siama, any solemn ma, any anointing wofia, our asamwa enya, a fin and a baye, a fia, yes, what take was some. God bless you. Bible says, "You will know the honor, not kind of money. On where we are doing, no force on the better." 1 John chapter 9. Was this a cassie and your bonnia? Near truffle. To say what you bonny your tomb. Now our banner, a rat or straw, and their chow. Now, menso, and their chow. I love you.
Etabushia video yi ebe told ya e wo TikTok a e trendy a amanfo comment section was say identikra na was Efia Okona okopa acho of which Efia Odo nankasa e dia create a series of videos sa sound na okopa acho na osade abe creative videos ene emunchiremu bebere na videos a wa create videos mienu on TikTok a e chen say ba kokra ya bo million views e wo hono ma enya go nti videos Efia Odo enso e di videos ni bi a create ni bi nso ni
the ushers to come and stand one here come and stand beside her for her to tell us the reason why. Stand up, come up. Good.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, I'm gonna mix my English and my So, Michi, you know, it's not like 100%. And see, sometimes me try say me can't. Sometimes me can't.
If I try to pick any pana or kasana na yen shano why? The empty oba yen here yen and yen pani guhano. Mufa kamna nentono so na yen shed ya walkano.
Sometimes my tree is really like it's not good.
Mufa be close.
Abusuanti video a etwagu ye no na ho se Efia Odo ni video okopa achewa ya posti wa TikTok no osa use sound no e de aye videos ni bi e wo ho na uko comment section ho no ma amanfo eni gisene Efia Odo e play along no na wei na comment section ho no no e ho na asem no wo no obi akobusa Efia Odo se anase obi akoka bibi e wo video nim e se na wonim se bibi ebekoso anase Efia Odo emotive ode kwa sori dem okopa ache onyina ne se okopa ache na video no ba bonten a ode abeye videos na ono no o sense something fishy in hona Efia Odo kwa yeso okopa ache asori wona Efia Odo kwa yeso okopa ache on o feel something fish na no na Efia Odo ebman reply na reply Efia Odo de man nyina ne se efoso no no pa ache na ensem a Efia Odo ebekan ne ane ensem a eye lady no so ekan ne lady ne say I knew there was something fishy. This is the reason why you went there. And was say ohun se Efia Odo pese oye bibi enti na okọ asori dem onom se okopa achewo no enti after lady no ekan sansem ni we and Efia Odo so eba be reply na reply no enye di enti ameka se o say ye force ne mana emane ebe pa achewo no ensema Efia Odo so kan o say that's not the reason why I went to apologize privately, but it became a public one, so I might as well use it to entertain. And some my Efia Odo can say, one cohose okubunko to jo TV so ni ade akopacho. Na emum okose okopa ne chawo okokuom nanka mama part e de ne bone ache no. But anko wie sa aba public inti wono nso eyizu e de agege no eni. Ena lady no esa ba abonten biem anase osabe reply comment no. And also, oh my God, she replied. Bonsema brofono. Bonsema brofono eyen sema eyen Nana Agradaa na say evangelist mama part. Eka wo video no mutama na Efia Odo ewo on. And also, so you mean she asked you to do it public? Church ewa sorry honum. And Efia Odo ba bontin was yes. I thought I was gonna meet her in private after church, but she had other plans. And some of you ede to Jane say, now when you say nka obehia mama part after church, but na mama part with different plans, and I say I want a plans dada say obema no aba inipadom ni mu na wabepa acho. And a lady is back and I say ewo kafra sister penny, cause from what I'm saying, it's like you weren't prepared to do it. That's why that way, but it's all good. I love you, Sister Efia. And then Ipano anyway say eto eno tre. Sorry. Ewo honum. Until lady ni say na chance Efia Odo uko yin na chance on prepare mpo say wono okopa cho ewo public. But mama part plans and say obepa cho public. Into utie se ne Efia Odo e kan dia. Wanye na adwen se okopa cho public. We na adwen se okohunu kokwam no apa ne che so mama me show. Nsem na e course wo me show no so no. Ma anya dia na se na ehu ntwa. Nti me show se ode be cheme e bi nsi biem. Na mama part no e wo se oba na uko stage no so na okopa cho. Of which Efia Odo si na ne tirimu ntene no. We kasa Efia Odo kana. Into comment section on ba kon so buy. And I say, Efia, you will go and apologize again, no, because of ensema wokan. Obako na wasa kopa chobim. Ewo hono ma enya agro. Enti mame hu comment section on, mame hu adwen wo comment section on. Na eye se Efia ekọ hokopa chewa yina enim so apa cho no. Obetwere sa comment we say na enya ne plans no na opese okuhia no privately na aba public. Ehu hiampo se na Efia ebetwere ensem we say ana second achopa osabeko na say no ode aye content creating na chense okoho bia na obenya content abetwa because content awetwa no e ko million views just one day e ko million nti so osako no go patch ofufra mo sabenya another content sa na ehwehwe ana se ode build eye wone no ayifo eye ni show bant and rant no because okoma mama part inviter ochiremu a opese mama part e ba ni show no so
sikeduo instead of sika gari gari sika and we wanted to bring Agradaa on the show. We wanted to bring Agradaa on rants, bants, and confessions. And see, producers different no on was remember mo show no so be am mo say me sikedu mbele show no so. And I'm like, is that what I said? Because I didn't know something I can do. See, that was something because slept on because my bonnet. I don't know the difference. Well, I know Sikadura is like what Sakawa is Juju, right? And Gary Sika is what? I don't really know what Gary Sika is. Hey, why did I make up no? Oh, I love you too, dope kid. So yeah, so I had to go. And do you know what? Make her sorry no. Not okay, not a semi member horse or semi member. Oh, yes, my life I restricted because some many. Yes, I see me brand horse Sunday, and I'm so okay. It's me who after church. It's Sunday, I'm a call no. Me chain. I'm sorry upon. And send them a call. Cause me very hard. People don't know me. I'm a very shy person. So one of the junior pastors or something led me inside. It's me doing inside and still no me service. No who me are no. If you're a woman, say maybe if you're a hey. I'm saying, mommy, ready up no problem. I'm playing it cool. So So then, or from me benim na, or to your mom and Hocha Massa. And later on, or catch up some in some cut at the Quintamaba. It's a make no, maybe free some make call privately to go and talk to her, you know. So for me to go and go to Jerusalem Panacho for them as my kind, man kind of bonimu, me not name the make ambo. And international sensation. And a lot of people are saying, why did I go to Agradaa? First of all, me, I love Agradaa. Momo Ghana for me are very judgmental, superficial, pretentious. Mo would any public must sing a be. Me no me will be the same. Even if someone will come, me will be the same. Do you understand? And go focus on why I go to Agradaa. I gotta know anypa. Hey, I gotta me penance mo me done fucking like or you're real.
Enti wo ye we say na odi poorly a year crowd kakra na mama party ba views no are massive e ho no ma aha Eei Media Plus and your first time I subscribe name a bell no so say ne be the video atumu na wonsa beka entertainment update bibia beto from bia no ye be ma wo ehu e wo ha say macra